If you're connected to your Wi-Fi, but it says there's a privacy warning associated with your Wi-Fi network, let's talk about what that is and how to fix it. Let's first just head into the settings. So open up the settings app on your iPhone and you can see Wi-Fi, the second option. Just tap on that Wi-Fi and you'll be able to see my network Luddites and Neolites, and under it says privacy warning. Now to find out what that means, I can tap on the little I right next to it. And it says at the very top, privacy warning, this network is not using a private Wi-Fi address. Essentially, this means that anyone can track the Wi-Fi network and the Wi-Fi network access to various websites, apps, all that stuff. So all you need to do to turn that off is to scroll down here and tap on where it says private Wi-Fi address. You can see it's set to off, or it might be set to fixed. What I would recommend doing is switching this to rotating. And it says turn on private Wi-Fi address will temporarily interrupt. That's okay. It will just reinitiate everything. Rotating is your best option here, and it allows for maximum privacy. After you've done that, let's go back out of here and you can see it no longer says that. Now, if this doesn't fix it for you, all you're going to do is tap the little I. You're going to tap on forget network at the very top and tap on forget, and just reconnect to the network and make sure, again, the private Wi-Fi address is set to rotating when you reconnect to it, and you'll be good to go.